We are at the park today and we're going to show you how to make some leaf crowns. So what you need is some leaves, ideally some leaves with a nice longish stem because you're going to use the stem, and that's all you need actually, leaves with stems. So I'm going to take my first leaf, take the stem off, keep the stem. I'm going to fold it over, doesn't really matter too much, like so. It depends how tall you want your crown to be. Then you take your next leaf, you fold it over, and then you put it together like that. Take your next leaf, I might take the red one. This one I've already taken the stem off, fold it over, push it in. So once you've got a couple of those in a row, you then take your stem that you saved and you make a tiny hole with your fingers. Make it not too big, push it through, and then another hole on this side, not too big, and you're kind of sewing it together with this, with your stems. Push it through gently. There we go. So now I'm going to get the next leaf, fold it, push it in like so, and then again you'll need another stem. Make a little hole with your fingers. You can hear the other children, I think, in the park playing football. Here we go. And then maybe one this side. Here we go, look. So you're already starting to see your crown evolving. Okay, so I think this will be long enough to go around our heads. I have to say bigger leaves are better. So what you do at the end is you bring one, actually what you do at the end is you bring it round like this. Get your last leaf, like so. Fold it round all the others. And you do one last stem. Obviously it's a bit tricky. Like so, leave it in, and then your crown is almost ready for wearing. Here we go. So, make any repairs where necessary. There you go, you've got your crown, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like on my daughter's head. Lovely! Little smile, lovely. An autumn crown made from autumn leaves and nothing else.